What was that? That's like a runaway bike. Cause like, why would you be going straight for the monster? Like, dude. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be watching Doctor Strange: Multiverse of Madness. Okay, so this movie came out earlier this year. I did not get a chance to watch it in theaters, so this is gonna be a first time reaction. Let me see the exact date it came out. Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness. This was released May 6, 2022. Oh, so this was released basically last month. Interesting. Yeah, and so it's out on Disney Plus currently. Seeing lots of semi spoilers, but yeah, so I already knew the gist of the movie going in. It's gonna be like Wanda and different universes. It's a multiverse. That's all the thing where I think the name of the group is the Illuminati with physics Xavier and some other people. Yeah, so I was kind of new. I mean, I don't know what happens at the end. There's no one fight. I just know that I just know that some of the characters they didn't know who they were gonna be fighting, so that they were just. So I saw the some BTS of them of some characters just um in a green screen room with nobody else and just like a puppet or something to play off, and so that's who they're fighting. So yeah. Uh so I basically know nothing. Even though I've been spoiled, I've not really been spoiled, so that's a good thing. I love that. What else? Alright, director is Sam Raimi. We know him from the Spider-Man films. Let's see what else he's done. Sam Raimi. Let me up his. Let's have name of the Spider-Man films. It says here, director of. Oh, this is the Great and Powerful. I didn't watch that one. Um, for the love of the game. Is that the movie with Kevin Costner? Oh yeah, I like that movie. For the love of the game, where Kevin Costner is this pitcher, and he's pitching. It's a no hitter or a perfect game, one of the two. And it's basically like I think it's like his final game, like he's retiring, like it's the final game of the season, and we need to know if he's retiring or not, and this is the whole thing. Yeah, I like that film. Yeah, the Spider-Man films, Evil Dead. I never watched it. I think those are good movies. The Darkman, The Quick and the Dead. I don't know. Oh yeah, so I haven't really. Oh, this is a lot of horror stuff in there before Spider-Man. So okay, so it's basically mostly horror director like Peter Jackson was. So that's interesting. But yeah, Benedict Cumberbatch is back. Um, here Richard McAdams, Elizabeth Olsen. I know that John Krasinski shows up. I know Charlize Theron shows up. I know Patrick Stewart shows up. Uh, yeah, let me not say too much because I might remember something and spoil myself further. I don't think I will. Yeah. Let's see the description before we start. In Marvel's Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, the MCU unlocks the multiverse and pushes its boundaries further than ever before. Journey into the unknown with Doctor Strange, who, with the help of mythical allies both old and new, traverses the mind-bending and dangerous alternate realities of the multiverse to confront a mysterious new adversary. Okay. So that's all the pre That's all I'm gonna say before it. Let's get into it. Let's go. I think I've seen her. Well, I've definitely seen her in stuff on Twitter. Alright, oh, Spanish. Right, so. Book of Vishanti. Okay. Defender Strange. Interesting. Right, so I've seen her before in what's up again? In like it's some Marvel games. I don't remember what her name is. But yeah. Ugh. That sucks. That does not look good. That's a bad infection, bro.
Your sacrifice is worth more than your life.
That Doctor Strange version is done for. Yo, that's a wild thing to wake up to. That's all like if that was me, I was like, whoa, that was a wild dream. It's a funeral or a wedding? People are happy, so I'm assuming it's a wedding.
Was there any other path?
Nope. One. Oh, damn. Yeah, understandable, because as a superhero, Strange is way too busy for a relationship. Well, at least in his head, that what I'm assuming. Also, this might have happened in Rachel McAdams' character might have been alive during the 5 years, so she might have been dating this guy. So, who knows?
Glass of red, please.
All out me, miss.
Oh, Christine, yeah, that's her name.
A little too on the nose.
Not for you at my wedding? Nah, that was perfect.
Maybe we'll find out.
Thank you.
How this happened.
I have to introduce you because he's kind of... It's embarrassing, but he's a big fan. So...
Hey, Christine, I should have... I wish I'd have been different. I never stopped caring about us. I had to make sacrifices to protect you. I'm sorry.
It was never going to work out between us.
You know, it might have. You never know.
Why not?
Because, Stephen, you have to be the one holding the knife. And I always respected you for it, but I couldn't love you for it.
Oof. That's rough, buddy.
How long do you have that one in the barrel?
Long time.
Oh yeah, it feels like it. She's been mulling that over. Oh, okay, the monster was invisible. Okay. I was like, yo, what the hell? I thought it was like... Oh, that's her. Did she bring that monster along with her? Yeah, I've seen this guy. I saw this guy
Do I know
before the movie. As some kind of old comic book character, but I don't remember him. I don't remember the name. CGI was a bit wonky there, with her running from him. But you know, it's fine. Can't expect perfection. Yo, dude, what the hell? Where was he going? What was that? That's like a runaway bike. Cause we're like, why would you be going straight for the monster? Like, dude. Ugh. It still gotta hurt, cause with that force going through. Ugh. That's nasty, fam.
What bothers me is that last night you were in my dream.
That wasn't a dream.
It was
There's another
the
universe.
yep, the multiverse.
His walls should swept.
Yeah, bingo.
Out of his butt?
Oh, well, maybe, I don't know. Honestly, I hope not.
Yeah, I hope so.
It wasn't a dream.
Prove it. It wasn't a dream.
Yo, that's gotta be wild to see yourself dead, but it's not you. It's somebody else. It also is you. Really weird.
That's gotta violate an ordinance.
Oh, I've buried worse.
Is she doing this like in her head?
A family is forever.
It was in her head. Pretty much a dream. Okay. Saying that WandaVision was a great series. Oh, this is a scene in was it end of No Way Home? Is it No Way Home? Yeah. It's the same location.
What if you brought America here?
Here.
Yeah, I know what it's like. To be on your own, hunted for abilities you never wanted. And I can protect her. You never told me her name, did you?
Exactly.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yo, I didn't spot that.
The Darkhold.
You're familiar with the Darkhold?
I know it's the Book of the Damned, and that it corrupts everything and everyone that it touches. I wonder what it's done to you.
The Darkhold only showed me the truth. Everything I lost can be mine again.
So you think?
You break the rules and become a hero. I do it and I become the enemy. That doesn't seem fair.
Well, it depends on what rules you're breaking.
Choose your words wisely. Fate of the multiverse may depend on it.
Got it. No pressure then.
Yeah, no pressure at all. What's she doing?
She's trying to get in their
Oh.
heads.
She found the weak link. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. That dude disintegrated.
What happened?
Kamatar's just fallen.
Oh. She found a way through. Whoa, that was cool.
Every night, the same dream. And every morning,
Back to reality.
the same nightmare.
Yeah. Being awake is our nightmare.
What happens to the other you? What happens to their mother?
No answer for that, huh? Whoa. That was like what if, where the different universes of the Doctor Strange, and then join again, join across universes.
There it is.
Jeez, man, that's a lot of puke.
This universe doesn't have a me.
What?
None of them do.
Oh, there's only one you?
How do you know that?
Because I've looked. And because I never dream.
How'd you pay for that?
It was free. Food's free in most universes, actually.
No, it's
It's
not.
weird you guys have to pay for it.
It's not free.
Right.
You didn't pay for that.
Crap. Maybe it's not free here.
It's not free anywhere. Oh, watch. Oh. Whoa. Did her moms not make it?
No, you were right. This is just a waste of time.
Hey, kid,
I don't think they made it.
listen. If your moms are anything like their daughter, they survived.
Okay, okay. So she doesn't know if she killed them. Okay. Okay, so there's a possibility that we'll see them later on in the movie.
Did you blow it with your Christine?
Yes, he did.
Yes, I guess I did.
Why?
Complicated.
As all things are.
Than being chased by a witch through the multiverse.
Yes, actually it is.
Love. Doctor Strange gave his life defeating Thanos. We express eternal gratitude to Earth's mightiest hero.
Dreamwalking. A dream-walking sorcerer projects their own consciousness from their universe into another, possessing the body of an alternate self.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Yo, that's wild. Is she? Oh, she's trying to gain control. Yeah, did she gain it? Yeah, she's in control now.
We promise to be good.
They're terrible singers. Well, kind of cute. Sarah is no more. I like this perspective shift. She's losing control. No, things are going back to yeah. They went back. She's no longer there. That little shift. Is this where he's brought before the Illuminati? They're holding him, and then it's the scene where we see him getting transported, like I saw in the trailer. Was it a trailer or a TV spot? Something like that.
838 Stevens, magical relics.
838, Stephen, is that some kind of cyborg me?
Our universe is 838, and we've designated yours 616.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Must know a lot about the multiverse. You got someone going around naming realities.
Exactly.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm a senior fellow with the Baxter Foundation, and I specialize in multiversal research.
Is this the universe with the Fantastic Four?
Well, what then? Hydra?
The Illuminati
Will
see you now.
the Illuminati.
The Illumawati?
Okay, so I was right. This is the scene with the Illuminati. Where he sees them and he's taken in as the prisoner.
You couldn't portal us up there?
Doubt he couldn't.
Can only take us so far.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh,
This isn't a tomb.
it's a shrine.
It's a throne.
Oh, okay, different word. Similar. Throne instead of shrine.
Stephen Strange, you are now called before the Illuminati.
Is that Hale Hatwell?
Captain Carter, the first Avenger.
Like a Garbaldegard? Hit a guy, hit it there.
Captain Marvel, defender of the cosmos. And the smartest man alive, Reed Richards of the Fantastic Four.
Hello, Stephen.
We should tell him the truth.
Oh, the X-Men theme. Oh,
Our
that's
final
super
man,
cool.
Professor Charles Xavier.
Try as you might wonder, you cannot control everything.
Exactly. Nope, you can't.
Look around you. It's carved in stone.
You think you can
I
control
was meant
everything,
to rule everything.
but you can't. Something's gonna stop you from doing what you want to do. Damn. Kill their own friend.
Did you tell Christine?
Of course they didn't. Of course they. Oh, they did? I thought they didn't. Interesting.
The building's been breached.
No shit, genius.
Status report on sentries.
They're all wiped out. Because Wanda is a bad bitch.
Just because someone stumbles and loses their way doesn't mean they're lost forever. We will see what kind of Doctor Strange you are.
That's smart. That is right. Not everyone's. Just because they make a mistake once in one version doesn't mean every version's gonna do the same thing. Had no chance. Please.
Wanda, Black Bolt could destroy you with one whisper from his mouth.
What mouth?
No, that was super cool. Ew. Ew, she is... They have no chance against her. Well, I thought they didn't have a chance. No, they're holding their own. Intriguing.
Haven't you had enough?
She can do this all day.
I could do this all day.
Yeah. Cut in half. Yeah. This is her Mind Palace? Is that the name they call it? No, Mind Palace is Sherlock. The something there, Stephen Moffat's version of Sherlock. That's the Mind Palace. And this is similar to the what we saw in what's it called again? X-Men. The one with the grown up DJ. There's a Future Past? It's not DJ. No, it's not Days of Future Past. X-Men Apocalypse with Oscar Isaac as whoa. That was super cool. She killed Professor Xavier, but it was a cool scene. Whoa, that's a cool shot. And the little hobble because she was rocking through the glass. Oh yeah. Nice.
Where did she go?
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I warned you.
That was cool.
Hold your breath.
And I'm saying that was cool, but really, these are like cool.
Did you kill her?
Very amazing stuff. And I really like it. I really like it. I like what I'm doing. I like what they're doing. Oh, they both gave her the same watch.
Thank you.
When I started, both Christines gave both Stevens the same watch. This is the same place as. Oh yeah, this is where it's in the same place where the other fight was.
This is the gap junction, the space between universes.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense now, cause it's definitely the same place where she saw where America saw it at the beginning of the movie. Definitely the same place. I like the imagery that they're doing, cause that's a cool shot right there. With the stairs leading up, and this the water all around it with the sea, like a sea. It's like a stair into heaven, well, not heaven, but like stairway to something.
Somewhat like yours until.
Sinister Strange? Interesting.
You ever had that dream where you're falling as if you've been pushed off a tall building? That was probably me.
Oh, it's similar. It's oh yeah, it's the Doctor Strange from What If, the one who became super powerful and destroyed his own universe. That's what this guy did. Yo, it's like a song clash. Yeah, basically like a song clash. Jamaican dancehall song clash right here. Oh, not with. Oh, with classical music instead.
You know what I'm sent for this? No! Let me tell you, yeah, you are going on. That can't help you.
Said they had to be living.
Oh. Yo, what? A zombie Stephen Strange. Okay, yeah. Man, that is madness. That's mad. Yeah. Ooh.
Go back to hell.
Wow. Yo, that is boss. Ah, that's boss.
I don't even want to know.
No, man, I would not want to don't ask questions. Do not ask questions right now. Not the time.
You're gonna kick that witch's ass.
Yeah, man, boss up. You got this. That's kind of weird, no, not gonna lie. Oh. The power.
I can't beat you. So I'll give you what you want.
Ah, she transferred there to a universe. They're scaring the kids, Wanda. They're not your kids. You're hurting them now.
I would never hurt anyone.
Yes, you are.
I'm not a monster. No good they'll be left.
Did she kill herself? No, I don't think she's dead. She just destroyed the temple. She's still alive. She's gonna show up again later.
I'm glad I fell into your universe.
So am I, kid. So am I.
That's sweet. Well, I guess she's not gonna find her parents in this movie. Would have been too perfect, I guess. I'm a fan of that. I'm also not a fan of it, but I get it.
Three weeks later.
Yo, what? Is he gonna become Sinister Strange 2? Or okay, post-credit scene 1. Is there post-credit scene 2?
Doctor Strange?
Oh, Charlize Theron. Okay, this is where she pops up.
Can I help you?
You caused an incursion, and we're gonna fix it. Unless you're afraid.
Not in the least.
Okay, so who is she supposed to be playing? What is her character? Dr. Nick West. Bruce Campbell. Ah, Bruce Campbell. Okay. Okay, so we don't see what Charlize Theron's role is. Okay, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to look up that. Okay. Oh, post credit scene too.
It's over.
That's cool. Okay. So wow. I really like that. It was a journey. Thank you, Sam Raimi. Thank you. Okay, so let me just roll off through what happened and then talk about what I liked and disliked and all that. Okay, so start off with Doctor Strange and America, and they're fighting off the monster, and we see the Book of Ashanti in this junction of between the universes, and then that Doctor Strange is killed, and the body of that Doctor Strange and America gets pushed through our portal, and then 616 is Doctor Strange. Oh, Doctor Strange. Yeah, because we confirmed that it's a 616 universe later on in the film. But right, so Doctor Strange wakes up and he thinks it's a dream, but no, it's real. It actually happened. And there's a fight in the street between after Doctor Strange turns up at the wedding of Christine and some guy. He's not important. We don't care. That guy, and then so there's a fight. Wong shows up. Bada bing, bada boom. Monster gets killed. We discover the body of Doctor Strange. He gets buried. And, that comes back in the movie. What happens next? Oh yeah. Strange visits Wanda. After they have a little talk, Strange visits Wanda. Wanda says, "Yo, deadline. Give him the body. Give me America. I'm gonna take your power. Because I want William Tommy from the other universe. They're alive in other universes. I'm gonna take. I want them from someone. I want one version of William Tommy from one of those other universes." Right, and then so Wanda is the antagonist for this film. She's the villain. Yeah. Okay, so there's a fight at Camartage. Bada bing, bada boom. Wanda wins. He sends. In that fight, Wong gets tied up, captured. A lot of sorcerers die. Strange and America get transported to another universe. We see that America's mothers, they got sucked into a portal the first time America did the portal. There's a possibility that they're dead. There's a possibility they're alive. We don't get that resolved in this movie. There's potential for another movie. What happens next? Right, so they meet up with the DC versus Mordo. Mordo drugs them, and then they meet with. They're put in some cages, and then they meet. Strange meets with Illuminati, and the Illuminati tells them that their version 838 universe, that version that universe is Doctor Strange. He was reading Dark World. He was trying to dreamwalk to try to find a way to beat Thanos. He caused an inversion. That other universe died. And so after 838 Strange gets the Book of Ashanti to beat Thanos, the Illuminati. They kill him. And in the Illuminati we had Captain Marvel, Captain Carter, their version of Captain America. More there was Sorcerer Supreme. No, but he wasn't Sorcerer Supreme then. He replaced their version of Strange. What else? There was Black Bolt, who was the one who killed their version of Strange. What was it done? Oh yeah, John Krasinski showed up as Reed Richards. Professor Xavier, also in that universe. Was there anyone else? No, there's some Ultron bots and Christine in that universe, who works for the Baxter Foundation, which is basically linked to the Fantastic Four. She's a multiversal researcher. Right, so Wanda, she gets a hold of that universe is Wanda. She dreamwalks into that Wanda, and then eventually the 616's version of Darkhold is destroyed because of one of the sorcerers. They destroy that, but Wanda and Wong was some mountain with some temple, and so Wanda dreamwalks again into that version of the universe's 838's Wanda, and then that version of Wanda just wastes everybody in that Illuminati. All of them taken out. Black Bolt kills himself. Krasinski gets just like cut up into pieces. Not cut up, but just like he gets split into pieces. Yeah, split into pieces. Captain Carter cut in half. That Captain Marvel just gets crushed. I think Mordor is alive from the Illuminati, but everybody else is done for. Xavier, next snap, done. So they that iterates Christine, America, Doctor Strange. They eventually make it to the Book of Vishanti, one that destroys the Book of Vishanti, and so Wanda sends Christine and 616 Strange to another universe, and where they back up on that Sinister Strange. That Sinister Strange is defeated. That he was using the Darkhold. They had this like third eye. So after all that, Strange. Okay, right. So, what am I saying again? Oh yeah, right. So, all Wanda. So A3H Wanda realizes, she has control over herself again. She runs back to her children. But 616 is Wanda and America. Wanda is trying to get the power from America. Strange dreamwalks. 616 Strange dreamwalk into the dead Strange's body, and there's like a whole fight with this lost souls, and then the lost souls there's like super eerie version of Strange, and then the fight, and then America, she gains control of her powers, finally, love it, and then she is attempting to beat Wanda, but this is garbage. You're not gonna beat her. So she shows her the folly of her ways. She shows that Wanda has been delusional. What she has planned is not gonna work. This whole scene with I really like the scene where A3 Wanda and 616 Wanda, they're in front of the children, and the children are scared of her because Wanda is a monster. She's being scary. She's just like intimidating. And she realizes, what am I doing? This is not gonna work. my soul is, it's not beyond reproach, it's just in a bad mood, in a bad place. I can't do this. And so she just destroys the temple, and there's, yeah, basically in the movie, Wanda defeats herself, but I don't think she's dead. And then we see Strange, America's training with the sorcerers, and we see at the end Steven gets a third eye. So just like the Sinister Strange from that universe that had suffered the incursion. And then we see Charlize Theron show up, and from my short research shows that she's playing Clea. I'm pronouncing that way, I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out to pronounce it if I'm wrong another time. But Charlize Theron is playing Clea, who is the Sorcerer Supreme for the Dark Dimension. Which I did not think that they had a Sorcerer Supreme. I was thinking it was just like another dimension within this universe. So how do they have a Sorcerer Supreme? I don't know. It's probably explained, but that's not important right now. That's for another time. And yeah, so that's basically the movie. To be honest, I liked pretty much everything in it. I cannot think of a bad thing. Maybe it's like some scenes which like just gone from my mind because they didn't stick out. It was just like it would just basically be nitpicks. Like this imagery, all the some of the shots which I commented on during the reaction. Just everything was just like it was like a horror film, well, not a horror film. So if it was a real horror film, I would have disliked it. It was like a sweet horror film, a superhero horror film, and just like everything was immeasurable for me. I really liked it. Everything just hit for me. It was just bam, bam, bam. Everything was hitting. And this like was just like nitpicks. So immaterial to mention. Like what's the point? Okay, that's like there might have been a few explanations of some other things, but nah, it doesn't matter. It was like a great Marvel film. It was like back-to-back strong Marvel films, from the Spider-Man movie to this Doctor Strange. It's like really strong, and I high hopes now for Thor: Love and Thunder, because we're coming off two. Eternals wasn't meh, and then Spider-Man, Eternals was, and Spider-Man was, I know Doctor Strange is really like about on that level for me. I have to rewatch the Spider-Man movie to get a real sense of where I rated. But yeah, at the time after I watched it, I really loved it because maybe it was just like the nostalgia of all those past villains and the Spider-Mans, like Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and Tom Holland, everyone just. But yeah, that's another movie. But yeah, just wow! I'm just really. This brings up a lot of potential, cause there's a possibility that this opens up the potential for X-Men, Fantastic Four, all of that, and I just can't wait. Man. This would have probably been better to watch in the theater and cinema, but I don't know, man. It doesn't matter. It hit for me. That's what's important. That is what is important. It hit. Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. It's a winner. Home run. That's what I'm leaving you on. It's a home run. Good job, Sam Raimi. Thank you. And that's it for me. Bye.